A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pawan Kumar. Today I will discuss some questions related to definite integrals of miscellaneous exercise. So see, now question is, question number 1. Integrate the function dx upon x minus x cube means 1 upon x minus x cube dx. We have to integrate. Now see, in this question what we have to do, first of all we have to split. See the solution, integration over 1 upon x minus x cube dx. This one we can write integration over 1 upon x minus 1 into x plus 1 dx. Now we can split this. All three expressions are linear, so this can be expressed as a upon x plus b upon x minus 1 plus c upon x plus 1 dx. Now when you will take LCM and find the values of a, b and c, in case what you will get the result after equating or after finding the values of a, b, c, you will get capital A, capital B and capital C. So this is the result 1 minus x, not 1 x minus 1. So 1 minus x and this is 1 plus x. So this is 1 minus x and 1 plus x. Now after equating or after finding the values of a, b and c, you will get, since a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1 by 2, b is equal to 1 by 2 and c is equal to minus 1 by 2. So result will be integration over 1 upon x plus this result is 1 by 2, 1 upon 1 minus x plus this result is minus 1 by 2, 1 upon 1 plus x, now dx. Now you can see, and when you will integrate, then what you will get the values after integration, you will get this result is log of mod of x and this result is 1 by 2 and minus time log of x, so minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 log of mod of 1 minus x and this result is minus 1 by 2 log of mod of 1 plus x, now plus c. Now this is the answer. You can see this is the answer. See, now I will come to the next question. The next question is, Next question is integrate the function, or we have to integrate integration over 1 upon root over x plus a plus root over x plus b. Now see, this expression we have to integrate dx. Now see the solution. 1 upon root over x plus a plus root over x plus b dx is equal to, so this format what we can write, this format, suppose I am going to rationalize by a minus b, I am going to rationalize by a minus b into integration over, and this is I am writing a minus b in numerator, so x plus a minus x minus x plus b. After solving you will get the same result, a minus b. X plus a plus root over x plus b. Now dx. Now you will see this expression 1 upon a minus b into integration over, this is a minus b and a plus b formula, when you will apply, so what you will get the result, this is root over x plus a minus root over x plus b, now whole dx. And this format what we can write, this is integration over root over t or root t. Root t integration you know means t to the power 1 by 2. So what we can write, t to the power 1 by 2, what we can write, this result is, means first integration result is x plus a power 3 by 2 whole upon 3 by 2 minus x plus b power 3 by 2 whole upon 3 by 2 dx, and now plus c. So this result will be 1 by 2 means 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is common, so you can take 2 by 3. Now after taking 2 by 3 common, now result will be 2 by 3 in bracket a minus b is equal to x plus a power 3 by 2 minus x plus b power 3 by 2, now plus c. Now this is the answer. Now you can see. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is question number 3. Now question number 3 is, integrate the function, integrate x upon, or dx we can write, dx, this is 1 upon, means 1 upon root over ax minus x square, ax minus x square dx. This is the question. And now we have to integrate. So what we should consider at the place of x? See, given function 1 upon x root over ax minus x square dx. Now in this question, first of all we have to change the parameter. Let x is equal to a by t. Suppose let x is equal to a by t. Now dx upon dt, what you will get the result? Dx upon dt, we can get the result minus 1 upon t square. So dx upon dt, you will get minus 1 upon t square with a. So minus a upon t square, and dt will transfer in left right hand side. So dx we can write, this is the result dt. Now dx we can replace. Now integration will convert 1 upon this x is equal to a by t with under root a by t, means this result will be a square by t, minus this result is a square by t square, and now this result is minus a by t with the dt, a by t square with the dt. So this a by t will cancel. Now what will be the result? This a by t will cancel. Now a by t, 1 upon t is also. So we can write calculation, this a square is common and you can take outside the square root, and the result will be and this format also you can take LCM, and after taking LCM you can take outside a square by t square. So what you will get the result? We will get integration over 1 upon, this result is a by t, and now again a by t. Suppose you are taking square root t minus 1 whole upon t square. Now under root t minus 1 will be here, and with the minus time a upon t square with the dt, this a term will cancel and t square term will cancel. So minus 1 upon a, t minus 1. Now integration will be minus 1 upon a, integration over 1 upon root over t minus 1 dt, root over t minus 1 dt. Now root over t minus 1 we can integrate easily. This result we can write minus 1 by a, and t to the power minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 plus 1, result will be t minus 1 to the whole power 1 by 2 and whole upon 1 by 2. Now this result will be minus 2 by a. So minus 2 by a, t minus 1 by 2 power, and t result you know. What is t? See, t I have considered a by x. So result will be a by x minus 1 power 1 by 2. Now answer. What we can write answer? Answer we can write minus 2 upon a. T result is a by x. So root over a by x minus 1 plus c. Now this is the answer. Now you can see. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is question number 4. Now question number 4 is evaluate the integration over dx whole upon x square in bracket x to the power 4 plus 1 power 3 by 4. Now this is our question. So first of all, what we have to consider in this question, x to the power 4. Suppose you are taking common x to the power 4 from this expression. So what you will get the result? Means 1 upon x square x to the power 4 plus 1 power 3 by 4 dx is equal to integration over 1 upon, when you will take common x to the power 4, so outer bracket will be x cube because x will be here, and now this result will be 1 plus 1 upon x to the power 4 power 3 by 4 dx. Now what we have to do? What we have to do? See, suppose you are going to consider t is equal to, or t is equal to 1 plus 1 upon x to the power 4. Now dt, what we can write dt? dt result we can write minus 4. This is minus 4x to the power minus 5. When you will take suppose x to the power 4, then this will be x cube into x square will be here. So x to the power 5 will be here. So tt is equal to, this result will be minus 4 x to the power minus 5 dx. So this one we can write minus 1 by 4 dt is equal to 1 upon x to the power 5 dx. Now see, now we have to change this integral. So 1 upon x to the power 5 dx result will be minus 1 by 4 dt. So minus 1 by 4 integration over, this result is 1 upon t to the power 3 by 4 with dt. And this result, what we can write? T to the power minus 3 by 4. So minus 3 by 4 plus 1 means t to the power minus 3 by 4 plus 1 whole upon minus 3 by 4 plus 1, and this result will be 1 by 4. Result will be 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 will cancel. So minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, and the minus 1 by 4 is here. So what will be the result? Now t we have considered this 1 plus 1 upon x to the power 4. So what you will get the result? Result you will see, this result is 1 by 4. So cancel out after 1 by 4 minus t to the power 1 by 4, and now plus c. See any doubts, you can clear it. Now answer will be minus t. T result is 1 plus 1 upon x to the power 4 and power 1 by 4, now plus c. Now this is the result. If any doubts, you can clear it. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is question number 5. Now question number 5 is integration over 1 upon x to the power 1 by 2 x power 1 by 2 plus x to the power 1 by 3 now dx. So in this question, what we have to consider? In this question, suppose you are going to consider x to the power 6 or 1 by 6 is equal to x to the power 1 by 6 is equal to suppose z. So given 1 upon x power 1 by 2 plus x power 1 by 3 dx, let z is equal to 1 upon x to the power 6. Z is equal to 1 upon x to the power 6. Yeah, x to the power 1 upon 6. X to the power 1 by 6. Now we can write x is equal to, this implies we can write x is equal to z to the power 6. Now dx, what we can write? This implies dx we can write 6 times z to the power 5. Now suppose 6 times z to the power 5 dz whole upon x result is z to the power 6. So this result will be z cube plus this result will be z power 2. Now z to the power 2, consider you are taking common and this will cancel out from numerator. So what will be the result? Now this result we can write, this z to the power 2 is cancelled, so z cube whole upon z plus 1 dz, z cube whole upon z plus 1 dz. Now z plus 1 dz. Now what we have to do? First of all, we have to partially factor. So after partial factor, this result will be 6 times integration over z square minus z plus 1, z square minus z plus 1 and plus 1 upon z plus 1, plus 1 upon z plus 1. And now you can integrate easily. Now its result will be, you can see this result is z cube by 3, z cube by 3 minus z square by 2 plus z plus log of mod of z plus 1. Now this is the answer, and you can put the values of z. Now values of z is, z value is x to the power 1 by 6. Z value is 1 by 6. So here we can write where z is equal to x to the power 1 by 6 is the answer. Now this question is totally completed. Now see.